from Common Law Assent. If you haven't found our Facebook page yet, you can find that. It's Common Law Assent. We're giving our assent to the invocation of Article 61, as that happened in 2001. So we're back here again by Kenilworth Castle today, and we've got our flyers. I'm just going to read from the flyers. It says 4 hereditary peers. It was 4 hereditary peers that invoked Article. They presented the parchment vellum at the Houses of Parliament. But there are actually 68 lords that signed the petition. When they signed the petition, they invoked Clause 61 off the back of a petition. They sent a petition to the Queen under Clause 61. So when they didn't get the response that was adequate for them at the time, then that was the invocation. So anyway, this is notice of the invocation of Article 61, and these are handy flyers you can hand out. They have things on the back that might be helpful for other things. Please be aware that in 2001, 4 hereditary peers invoked ancient rights as a last attempt to save fundamental freedoms and birthrights in the name of British constitutional democracy and law, and was also reported by the Telegraph on both the day before and of the invocation. All this evidence you can find on our Facebook page and on our Patreon account. Our Patreon account is www.patreon.com/common law assent. Just find us on Patreon. There's loads of information on there. We've got files upon files and lots of templates. So it says, according to Clause 61, we all have a lawful obligation and duty to swear allegiance to the Committee of the Barons, and together as worded in the Security Clause, those 25 barons, together with the community of the whole land, shall distress and distrain us in every way they can, namely by seizing castles, lands, possessions, and in other such ways as they can, save harming our person and the persons of our Queen and our children, until, in their opinion, amends have been made. It goes on to say, and let anyone in the land who wishes to take an oath to obey the orders of the aforesaid 25 barons for the execution of the aforesaid matters, and with them to distress us as much as he can, and we publicly and freely give anyone leave to take the oath who wishes to take it, and we will never prohibit anyone from taking it. Article 61 installs that we, the people, have the legal and lawful force to police, indict, try, punish, and otherwise obtain redress over wrongdoers acting as or in the name of government. So I took an oath in 2015, and I sent mine to Lord Strathcarron, and then I took another one to Lord Craigmile because I thought that I'd lost the first one. And since then we've been working under Article 61. So the next step would be to read Article 61, and that's the law that they invoked, and it clearly tells you in it what kind of thing you can do that'll help to distress the current regime, if you like. So, and one of those things is to compel other people to stand under the law alongside you, and obviously let people know that it happened. So that's basically what our whole movement is about, informing other people that this happened in the Houses of Parliament, as because it's about our rights, our unalienable common law rights that they were trying to protect and defend. You can read the petition itself and find out what those were, and learn a bit more about your constitution and what rights you have under your constitution. I think it was meant as a big reminder for people, and I think we were very fortunate that they did it. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Common Law Assent at Kenilworth Castle today. I hope you're all having a lovely bank holiday.